Today we are in Bashu Valley. Do you know what is Bashu Valley Sea? It is this. Everywhere greenery. See, let me show you the. Even people come here for camping. See, let me show you the camping. See, that's a camp, and only one. There's so many. See, there's so many. And even there are cows. Do you see cows? Let's just go further. You cannot see there. Let's go. This is cow's poop. Yuck. And it's so bad. I'm just watching my steps to not step on the poop. Where are the cows? Oh yeah, right there. Let's follow. See, cows. The master, the Minecraft builder. I'm just joking. See, here's the cow. Run! The cow is chasing me! Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life! Oh, I think it's... Is it coming? I think it's hiding in the bushes. In that bushes. That one. See, it's right there. Do you see it? See him. I'm so scared. I thought he was calling me. No, it's not good yet. Let me show you something extra good. The mountains. Where? See? Oh no, that boy again. That boy. He's not letting me get further. If I go, let's just go a little bit further. Here is it. I'm so scared. Actually, I'm super duper scared. Let's just. See, a river. A river. We can throw rocks in this river because there's a ton of rocks. There's so many rocks. Do you see? And look at that mountain over there. Up. I think it's K2. I think so. It's K2. Okay, guys. I'll show you the dinner in the next video.